Here are 5 hidden iPhone features that a lot of people may not know about that can make your daily iPhone use so much easier. So the first option that we're going to show you is the back tap option on your iPhone. So if I were to back tap my iPhone twice, you would see that the flashlight comes on and I didn't have to hit a button inside my settings or anything like that. I'm going to tap twice to turn this off. So to get to your back tap option, you want to go to your settings. You want to scroll down until you see accessibility. You want to scroll down until you find touch. And from here, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find back tap. So from here, what we can do is go to double tap. And as you see, I have mine set to flashlight, but you have many options here. So I'm just going to set this to my camera. So if I were to double tap my phone now, the camera would come up and you'll be able to use the camera like you normally would. So that's one feature that you can use on your iPhone. Another option is to be able to drag multiple apps at once. So if I were to click on the empty space on an iPhone page, as you see, it has all of these minus features on the apps. But what if we wanted to move multiple apps around to maybe other pages or maybe into a folder? So what we're going to do is click and hold and just drag one very slightly. And from this point, you can go ahead and click on other apps. And as you see, they're adding to one pile. So now if I move my finger around on my iPhone, I'm dragging all those apps. So from here, you can move them to a different page. You can move them to a folder, really anything that you want. So I'm going to drag them up here to a folder. And now all those apps are going to get added to a folder. And as you see, they're all here in a folder. So that makes it really easy and simple to edit your home screens, edit your pages, to be able to have apps in a certain spot that you want them to be. Another option that you can do is actually edit the home screen pages. So again, click and hold on an empty spot on your iPhone. Go to edit at the top left corner and just select edit pages. So as you see here, I have 5 pages on my iPhone. What we can do is go ahead and deselect some of these pages. That way they will not pop up on our phone here. So I'm just going to choose one here. And then once you hit done, and as you see now, that page is now gone. So there's another option there to be able to edit your pages. Make sure you don't have too many that you don't want, and go for a more simplistic layout on your phone. So another option or another hidden feature that's on your iPhone, we're going to go to our notes just for this example here. And as you see, I have some text here, and go ahead and click on the text so that the keyboard pops up. And what I want you to do is click and hold the space bar. And from here, a really cool tip is that you'll be able to move the cursor back and forth. A lot of times you want to click on something, maybe delete something, maybe put something back there, or maybe you're clicking in the wrong place. It's very simple to go ahead and click the space bar and move your cursor back and forth. This makes it much easier to either fix text, fix misspellings. It's very simple to do. So the last feature and the last hidden feature that I want to show you is actually in your photos. So if you're someone that wants to select multiple pictures or videos at one time, but you just don't know how to do it, what you want to do is go to your library, hit select at the top right corner, and just very carefully drag your finger from the left or right side and drag it across. And as you see, I'm selecting multiple photos. So I can just keep doing this. I can drag all around the screen. And you can also deselect those photos as well, just by going back over those photos. So once you have your photos selected, you can treat them like anything that you want. You can hit them, take them to the garbage. You can share them just like you would a normal photo or video. So it just makes it a little bit easier if you want to select multiple photos and either share them or throw them in the trash. And that's it. It's very simple Very simple, just a couple features that you may not know that you have on your iPhone, and you don't have to download any other apps, but this hopefully makes your daily iPhone use a little bit easier, and that's it.